Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is one of the funnier videos. This made me laugh, and hopefully it makes you laugh too. So straight to the headline: Tanzania to publish names of married men to protect single women. So that's the headline. So already you know the direction of travel of this particular video. Tanzania to publish names of married men to protect single women. So that's the headline. Now let's see exactly what they're doing in Tanzania. Tanzanian government is reportedly considering publishing the names of married men in the country to limit cheating and protect young women from unnecessary heartbreak. Speaking on Monday, August 12, Dar es Salaam Regional Commissioner Paul Makonda said the proposal was considered after he received complaints from several young women in the country who claimed they were being preyed on by married men. So this is what he has to say. Men have been promising to marry them, then later they ditch the ladies, and this is something that is humiliating. These cunning men have left many women nursing heartbreaks and emotional bruises. You'll find a young man successfully wooing a woman, making her leave every other thing that she does, hoping that the man will marry her, not knowing that he is indeed conning her. If you look at the laws that we have in the country, there is a clause that protects women who were promised marriages only to be used and dumped. We want to use that clause to bring sanity in relationships, the regional commissioner said. The proposal, if adopted, will require all married men to register their marital status with the region's database agency. The information will reportedly be accessed by the citizens of the country. I cannot say I am a leader when people I look after are hurting. One of the ideas that we have is to have all the married people register their marital status with the region's database agency. This will help young women promised marriages. It will be easy for them to access the database and find out whether the men who have promised to marry them are people's husbands or not. In that database, all marriages, including Christian, customary, Muslim, those filed at the registrar of marriages, will be registered. We want to reduce the cases of men conning women in the name of love and marriages. We are planning to meet the state agency in charge of the citizens database. Once that meeting is done, you who lied to a woman that you will marry her but ended up using and dumping her will be prepared. We are coming for you, he said. So now this is the goings on in Tanzania. So now, like I said, this made me laugh, but then of course I'm not sure what my thoughts are on this. One, there's a clear infringement on fundamental human rights, so you could go down that angle, but then of course the government has to register the status of everybody, so you can have that argument too. And registering your marital status is just a matter of documenting your status with the government, so that will be fine too. But then this woman being able to access it, then well, that falls under freedom of information. So the hour done bust. The game is over apparently for the guys in Tanzania. So all this boju that they are doing are making all these empty promises to girls that, oh, I will marry you and all that, and we all know what that I will marry you really means. So now the minister or the commissioner in Tanzania also knows what that I will marry you means when boys are using that to majority girls. So he's now intending on putting a stop to it. But how would this work in Nigeria? No chance is the simple answer to that. Or what do you think the chances are? Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. A funny one, as I said. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of the goings on in Tanzania in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.